Hello, hello. Good morning, bon matin, good morning. Hello, hello. Alright. It's been a while. It's been a while. Hello, hello. Hey, hello, hello. So, so. It's been a while. How's it going? Yep. So, today, what I was planning to do is some game art, kinda. Some stuff in 3ds Max. But, first, someone sent me his project. Woohoo! And they had a problem somewhere that the project doesn't work. They have a little bug and they wanted me to look at it to see if I can figure it out. This is based on my old series that I did. I did a pathfinding series a while ago. It's only available in French, sadly, but I think I might redo it in the near future for people in English, and also it's gonna be like better, I hope. I hope I will be able to do it better than the first time. So yeah. So they are pretty much at the beginning of the project, of the series, I mean. What is the project? This project I have right here, it's the project that someone sent me. It's based on my series Pathfinding, like I just said. So it's pretty much just a grid movement. So it's supposed to, I think they are done with the pathfinding part, so maybe they should be able to see the pathfinding here when they are overlapping some tiles. There should be like some pathfinding happening. Drawing a path somewhere from probably like, I guess this actor here, I guess it's the source, and the mouse will be like the target. So I guess it should do the pathfinding, but it doesn't work right now for some reason. So that's what they wanted me to look at and see if I can figure it out. And this is what I'm gonna do. So that's good. The first thing is there's some debug info that says that the over tile is not valid for some reason. Okay, that's weird. It should be valid. So we can look at that first. So where is that debug print? So I'm just gonna search for it. Selected or over tile, valid. Put this one here. Okay, so here's the print. Not valid. So if the selected tile and the over tile is not valid, this is where it's going. Okay. First, we'll see which one is valid. Let's start by that. Are they both invalid, or only one of them is valid? I'm gonna put the first one in red and the second one, let's say, in purple, pink. So we can see. Okay, so the red one is invalid. Okay, because the other one we can see the name. So that leads me to think that the red one is invalid, which is the selected tile. So the selected tile is invalid for some reason. Okay, that's good to know. So how is this defined? It seems to be defined here. New tile selected. So it seems like maybe this is never called. So is this called? This doesn't seem to be called. Okay. Okay, when I select a tile though, okay, it selects it. But then the tile actor is not valid anymore. Okay, so I have to click on the tile. Okay, okay. So the selection seems to work actually. So that's not the problem. I just had to click on the tile. So let's select the tile just to make sure that it's good. It seems to be good. I can see the name showing up now in the prints, so that's good. Okay. So, what is the new error we have? It's the actor is not valid. Okay, tile actor is not valid. It's pretty generic, but we can find it. Tile actor is not valid. Here we go. Why is this not valid? So in the structure, there's a tile actor that is not valid. Okay. Are all the tiles invalid? Or only that one? So what we're gonna do is maybe print the index. So if I click here and then all of them, all the tiles are not valid. Okay, for some reason the tiles are not valid. That's not a big deal. We can just find why. So we can go see where this tile actor is set. So I guess we're gonna search for this. Find references. Oh wow, it's been a while since last time I opened that project. It's interesting. So here it's setting nothing. This is adding with the previous one. I'm just gonna move this on the side here, I guess. This is adding with the previous one, so this is not a problem. Actually, we can probably just search for ads, because I know that I was not using the... it seems messy. Yeah. Okay, anyway. This is my old code. I don't really like the way it's built anymore, but... Oh, here. This can be a problem. For some reason, the tile actor is not passed, so this can be one cause. So I'm just gonna note that here. Go see if it fixed the problem. Maybe it was just that. The actor is still not valid. Okay, so that was not the problem. Okay, next. Where were we? This is done. And here, there's a tile actor empty here. Maybe it's normal though. Where is it? Generate map data from world. Oh. I don't quite remember if we were using that right here. No, I think it's just tile data, so I don't think it's used yet. Spawn tiles. Oh, here they are. So the tiles are spawned here. That's good. They should be spawned with the same data. It's passed here, so that should be good. Unless the tiles are not spawned, but they are probably here. They are probably spawned. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. Their name shows up, so they are spawned. Actually, I can click on them, so they are obviously spawned. So that's good. Okay, so this is not a problem. This is perfect. This is not that. This, I already look at this. Oh, we have the same function twice. That's interesting. The same code shows up two places. That's interesting. Oh, I think that works. Nice. So we now have the path working. Okay, the camera is not spawned, so I can place it wherever I want, which I guess will be nicer like here because of the where the sun is placed. Here we go. Oh no, it's upside down, but whatever, it's all right. So we go. How was my new year? It was pretty busy. I had a couple of things to do and I wanted to work on my project also, so I spent a ton of time working on it. Yep, that's why I wasn't really available in the past few weeks. How was yours? Were you affected by COVID at all? Like any plans that were cancelled? So, okay, so what did I change actually? Just to make sure. So here in find path to target, the tile actor wasn't connected. So that thing here. So that was pretty simple. And there's another place, I think. Is it in the same? Oh, it's in the same code. It's in find path target, and the other one is in the event graph. Find path target and find path target. That's weird. That's weird. But yeah. So these were the problem. I don't know which one of them is called, which one is not, but anyway. Oh yeah, it was great. Good. I'm glad you had a good new year, holidays, everything. Yeah, I wasn't able to see my family this year because of that. It's a little bit sad, but well, I guess it's normal. It's just 1 year. It's gonna be all good next year. Gave me more time to work on my stuff, I guess. Okay, I'm just gonna take a screenshot here. Troop, troop, troop. Okay, I just sent the screenshot to show the fixed to the person that sent me the project, just to make sure he still has it somewhere. Boop, 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 boom, boom. Okay, so that's done. Woohoo! We fixed the project. So yeah, I think I'm gonna redo that series in the near future. I don't know how long it's gonna take though, because it's a pretty big series. Yeah. But It was a pretty nice project though. Yeah. The main problem with that is that I don't have the project anymore. I lost my files and I don't know where they are. Maybe I have an older version. Maybe. I'm not sure. So I'm not sure if it's like it will take a while to just get back to it and redo all the code and stuff. But we'll see. But yeah, I will be interested to redo it, and I think some of you are interested too, because I had a ton of comments about that. So that, yeah, that can be interesting to do soon. Anyway, yeah, it's so fun to just draw paths. Anyway, okay. So that was it. Tower defense. I'm trying to create a tower defense game, and that series of being very much good. But for a tower defense game, I'm not sure I would recommend to use that. I don't know what you're trying to do exactly. Good. Yeah, I'll be happy to see all that. Would be nice. But yeah, for tower defense, I don't know if you're planning to use that strategy. Like, I mean the pathfinding for the path your minions are gonna follow to reach the target. Maybe in that case, you can just use simply use the pathfinding that Unreal gives. Maybe it will be enough. I think, but yeah, you will have way more control using that kind of pathfinding though, because you can specify exactly where you want the actors to go. Yeah, but yeah, but you should do it like not every frame. Like it's pretty expensive. The pathfinding thingy, it's pretty expensive on the performance side. So you probably just want to do it like once at the beginning of the round, maybe. I don't know if it's a round-based thing or if you can place towers in the middle of a round while the actors are moving. Yeah, just be aware that it's pretty expensive. So if you try to do it on a big map, it's not gonna work great, sadly. Yeah, because I think that if I try it right here just for fun, I don't know how big I can go without breaking everything. Ooh, okay, computer, not happy. Whoa. Yeah, the grid can help you. Yeah, you can start with the grid. So just to place your towers and stuff. Yeah. Oof. Oops. I think I'm asking too much. Okay, on va y aller. We gonna go small, maybe 2000. Tile size, let's say 50. I just want to see if it's gonna work or not. Okay. Oof. Yep. It seems to be super expensive. CPU dying. No. Oof. Yep. So this is what I meant. Yeah. It's working. Like the system's gonna work on a big map, but it's pretty expensive. Like it takes a while to calculate everything. So it's even worse like if you're doing it every frame. Yep. And I tried to find a solution for that, like trying to improve it, but I wasn't able like to find a nice clean solution for it, sadly. Yep. Okay, you're not going for a big project, that's good. That's a good idea. Yeah, that was most of the complaints I got for that specific feature, like the pathfinding and stuff, is that it wasn't working on a big scale. grid, but yeah. At the time I was pretty noob and I didn't know if was supposed to work. I don't think it was supposed to work at all in that case, like in a big grid. So yeah, good. So I guess we're done with that. So if I get back on the project I'm working on right now, this is it. So pretty. Yeah, it's not great yet, but it's getting there. It's slowly getting there. Yeah, I like the way it's getting, the direction it's getting. Choo, 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 choo. So yeah, what I wanted to do today is mostly like doing a bunch of new assets, or at least like 5. I don't know if I'm gonna be fast or not. I'm not really good at art stuff anymore. It's been a while since last time. Since I did art for real. Like, just, this is like, it looks nice, but it's just simple cubes, and I intend to keep it simple for now. I want my game to look nice, even though it's gonna be simple. That's one of my objectives. And since I'm not like, I know I'm gonna get better at art stuff like over time. So what I want to do at the beginning is having like the starting area pretty simple, and then the more the player progresses in the game, the more is going to discover and be able to build better assets. So not only because I'm gonna be better at doing assets, at creating assets, or also because like the player gets better in the game and his powers are better, I guess, or something like that. So the first area is gonna be pretty simple, like a bunch of cubes, and that's the style I want. I want like everything to be made out of cubes, or mostly cubes, scaled cubes, a little bit deformed cubes, but still cubes, like everything that we have right now. So it's all cubes, and I want the main area to be all cubes. And I want it to be like super empty also. Not really super empty, but like a good mix between empty and like with stuff in it. Because I want the player to be able to build his own stuff at the beginning, and then he's going to have access to extra resources and new recipes and stuff. So yeah. So today I was thinking maybe we could start designing the first area and the first main, actually the beginning of the game. That's pretty much what I want. Yeah, but we're still gonna need a bunch of new assets because it is pretty empty for now. So. I was thinking of doing it in Unreal at the beginning, but then I decided that maybe it will be better in the 3D model software. Have you played Besiege? Nope. Besiege. How the hell do I pronounce that? Oh yeah, that game. Oh yeah, I saw that game. I didn't play it, but I saw it. Yeah, it looked nice. I saw a bunch of videos, people playing it. Huh. Yeah. Yep. It uses very simple art style too. I think does the most of the heavy lifting. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah. But even that, like, I'm not able to do all that art stuff. I mean, like, if I just put it here, like all the textures are nice in that game. The art style is simple, but the textures are pretty nice. It's a lot of detail though. It's still a lot of details. And I'm not like... oh, that looks good. I like the user interface. It's simple. Yeah. But yeah, I'm not like a... I'm way better at 3D art than 2D art. So when I look at textures like these, I think it's so nice. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. At least not at the beginning. Yeah. But yeah, game looked good. Yeah. Yep, it's a nice game. Nice little game. Yep. So. Okay. So. Let's see what we have right now. So this is just my second viewport that I don't care about. And what do I have here? Okay, I have all the basics assets I had. Okay, I'm not sure I'm gonna use any of that today. Maybe a little bit of them. But I wanna be able to design new stuff, so move away. Was nice seeing you, but don't need you anymore. Don't think I'm gonna need that second viewport. Okay, so I'd like to have my game like as a bunch of islands, maybe. So maybe a couple different islands. So the first island will be like where everything is cubic. I don't want them to be too big. I want like small little piece of land that are floating in the air, I guess. Why not? That's interesting, I think. I usually like having islands in the sky for some reason. So, I guess we have to start with the ground. Here we go. We have an island. I don't think that's gonna work, but sure. Actually, so let's see. What do we want? Do we want the starting island to be like a cube? Because I want to have everything that is on the island shaped with cubes, like built with cubes, mostly. But do we want the island itself to be a cube? Or maybe we can just like make it more interesting. Like it can have like shapes and stuff, like be more organic, I guess. I guess the island itself could be will be nice to have like a real island, real looking island. Yeah, but in the middle of the island, I want to have the first kind of influence statue, which is gonna be I guess the main monument of the game. This is the main object that we're gonna tap on and get resources from. So we can start by designing that. Maybe it's gonna help designing everything else. I guess that could be interesting. So this is the piece of land. Whatever, doesn't really matter. And now I don't have my outliner for some reason. Where is it? How do we open the outliner in that software? Sure, good enough. Whoa. Go here. Not there. Do I really need that crap? I don't need that crap. Go out. Okay. Okay, so I have a bunch of junk in there that I don't care about. I want Okay, this is gonna be the ground. This whatever, I don't care. Island. And then I want my cubes. So what size is gonna be the thing? 500 by 500. Does that make sense for the main object of the game? If I go back in Unreal, let's see. 500 by 500. How does that look? If I remember correctly, these little thingies are 200 by 200, I think. So we can look at that maybe. So is this one... Okay, that's exactly what I want. I want to see the size of that thing. So this thing here is minus 50, minus 50. So I guess it's 100 by 200. Okay, so if we put 2, 3, move away, 4, 5, this would be 500 units. This is pretty big. And let's say I put like these maybe. I guess that will give me the cube. 500 by 500 cube. How about that? It's big, but is it too big? I don't think it is. Maybe a little bit. Maybe 400 by 400 should be good enough. Or maybe like a 300 by 300, but then there was like stuff around it. So yeah, I guess a 400 by 400 should be good. Yeah, let's do that. Oops, not this. 3D Max, thank you. So instead of 500 by 500, I'm gonna go with a 400. I'm just gonna duplicate that thing. So it's gonna be a 400 by 400 by... How high do we want that thing? Let's say 400 for now. So we want to fit the thing in there. Okay, so that's doable. Okay, so the main object is gonna be a cube, because I don't have skills and cubes are nice. So here we go. And it's gonna be a pure cube, so 100 by 100 by 100. Boom. And it's gonna be centered. Here we go, and it's gonna be in the air a little bit. Okay. So we have the cube. Then... Okay. Have a nice day. See you in the future, probably. Yeah, if you have any other questions or problem, let me know. I'm gonna be happy to help you. And if you have like more generic questions and stuff, just ask them like on Discord or something, and maybe someone else have the same problem as you or anything. So just don't be shy and share. I'll be happy to help you. No problem. Have a nice day. Good. Maybe 200. So, bye-bye. Thank you. So, this is gonna be the main actor of the game. And then we want to have some stuff around it, maybe. So maybe we can have another cube under it that can be can be smaller but wider, just like a base. And actually, maybe if I add another one, it will give us like some kind of stairs. A little bit of stairs, so. Like so. Then maybe make it a little tiny bit bigger. How can we make this interesting? We could have like other stuff around it, that's for sure. So let's see if I just move this around here. Go back in edit mode and I just delete the crap. Can probably stick that to the ground right here. Move that one like up here. Maybe this could be like just a simple column. So it can have like multiple layer of rocks. Not really rocks, but cubes. Different height of cubes. Different sizes. Maybe that's too big, but whatever. And then maybe we can have something a little bit more horizontal here. Ooh. Like another kind of wall here, maybe. And then maybe an arch, like a portal or something. I don't know if it's really. Oops. Want it to be local. Thank you. Nope. Okay. So maybe a little something like this. So we can have like a little bit of a structure around it. Maybe with a path in the middle that goes to there. That will be like A little bit broken, but still working. At least the good thing with that game is that it's pretty much a world builder thingy, so I don't have to care too much about the design of the world, just making it interesting enough for the beginning of the game, and then the player is gonna build whatever he wants anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But maybe I think it will need like some space for a path to go around it here. So let's say there's a path that goes around it. So I'm just gonna get another cube here, random cube, doesn't matter. Oopsie. Length is gonna be 100, height is gonna be 1, doesn't really matter, 5, just for fun. Oopsie. So I want that to be there, minus 250, I guess, and 0. So maybe there will be like a path here. Hmm, 600 maybe. So maybe a path around there too. So let's see, there's a path here. Maybe we can have the path here also. So it's gonna be 100. Nope. I don't want to have a reference. What the hell did you do? I want to copy. Thank you. The length is gonna be, let's say, 600 for now. Doesn't matter. So I want it here, so minus 600. Something like that. So maybe look something like this. And then we can add some trees around it. This thing here can pretty much be like, I don't know, somewhere there. With this on the side. Oops. And then we can add a couple of these. Something like that. Maybe we can have like a wall behind it, like a bigger wall. So let's see. It's pretty much just like a bunch of cubes, but different shapes. Something like that, maybe. But we also want to have assets that the user is going to be able to use somewhere else, like in the game if he wants. Which, I mean, why not? They are pretty good. I believe they are pretty good. the user will be able, the player is going to be able to place like cubes, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Okay. So I think the path is gonna be 100 by 100 is fine. So this is gonna be the beginning of the game. At the start there won't be anything really. I mean, it's gonna be pretty empty. I don't have to make it symmetrical actually, like whatever. It's alright. But this is fine. And then we can place trees around a little bit further, that they are not gonna be accessible at the beginning. Okay. The main thing I wanted to do is the island itself, because this, like, it's just level design that I can do inside the engine. So the island itself is gonna be pretty big though. I don't like that scaling way. New, thank you. Or just give me the basic scale, thank you. So I want the island to be big enough, but not that big. And then, like, there's that thing here, and not too far from it, I want to have, like, another thing. Like, maybe the beginning of a village, like a tiny village. That the player doesn't have access at the beginning. Because the source of the power, the player's power, is gonna be that thing here. And then everything else is gonna be out of his control at the beginning, like out of his access. I don't really want a big village, like maybe 2 houses. Even then, 2 houses is pretty big. But I'm not sure if it is. So here we can have like multiple trees and small forest, a small village, maybe some fences with like veggies and stuff, maybe. I don't actually know yet. So that will be like a small piece of land here, maybe a bit of water here. So let's see. Maybe a lake here. Or actually, since it's all cubes, I'm not sure I want a lake. We'll see, we'll see. Then I want like a small town here. Since it's all gonna be circle, This is gonna give the influence at the same time to everything. So a little bit bigger maybe. This can be lower. Maybe. Something here. Is that thing scaled proper? Exactly perfect? No, not really. I don't like 3D Max for that. That's the only thing I really don't like about that software. Anyway, the scaling's for shit. Okay. So yeah. So there will be like a forest at the top a little bit. Not even sure that I will. Okay, yeah, we're gonna focus on this for now. So if I have an arch here with the entry point, the arch doesn't really matter. We can build it in game or not. We have to maybe find a way to make this work. That should be pretty easy. I don't think the paths are gonna cost something to build, because it's pretty, yeah. So I'm gonna have to change the path system if I want to make it nice. And then the arch. So let's start with this. So let's see if I'm gonna finish these assets a little bit and then try to reproduce that in Unreal. Then we'll see where it goes. So first, how can we improve the cube? Really, I don't care. It's all good for now. That cube is good. I mean the main cube in the middle. Come on, that thing. Or not. For now, it's gonna be good enough. It's mostly for the scaling, I guess. Okay, so I'm losing that right now. I'm doing nothing. So SM monument. Let's say 0, 1, but I know it's gonna be the only one, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I will need to have like a couple interesting things. I can have, first of all, can add a little chamfer on the thing just to make it nicer. Even though it's doesn't matter for now. Good. All cute. Okay. I can change its material IDs, but doesn't really matter. Okay, so I will need a couple column style. So gonna get bit of inspiration. What kind of columns I can create? Because I'm gonna need, let's say, 3 of them, maybe 4. We'll see, we'll see. So first of all, I'm just gonna copy paste that thing. Sim. Column. It's gonna be a cube column. Yeah, actually, these, trash them and start over a little bit, just to make sure the pivot is good. So I can do them here maybe. So okay. Screw everything else. I don't care about everything else. So the C is gonna be like that. Probably gonna center it in the scene then. And then what size? Is it as 50 by 50? Let's say it's 100 by 100. Seems fine. 100 by 100 for a column. That's good. It's gonna be clearly higher than 100 high. Maybe 200 or 300. So I can just 100 by 100 by, let's say, 300. There we go. So that's the size of the column I want, I guess. Okay. So now I'm just gonna model it a little bit. Something like that. Make it a little bit smaller in the middle. Go back in here. And then let's see, I wanna maybe have that on top. Something like that. So this is gonna be the simplest one. Maybe scale that up a little bit just to make it a little bit uneven. Even then, it's not really necessary. That will be the first one. So we can have a second one. The second one can be, I don't know. I can put this one a little bit higher, maybe. And then this one, just a little bit tinier, smaller than the other one. And I can do the same for the top. So I can put that one a little bit on top, get a bit smaller, just a little bit. And like, I guess more like that should be good. This is not like the final part. This is just like placeholder until we can improve them, but just to have like the general structure of the things. That's a third one. How can we make another one? There's not like 30,000 ways to make a column, I guess. It's pretty much always the same thing. I can make it like not square. That will be an interesting difference. So then what if I try to make it 100 by 50 times 300, 100 times 50. It's a little bit flat. Is it too flat? I think it's too flat. So we can stay 100, but it's gonna be 100, but. And I lost my thing. Here we go. Okay, so this one, but it's gonna be scaled a little bit. Which is the front? This one is the front, so I want to scale it that way, maybe. Yeah, now we can maybe deform them a little bit, like just make them interesting with things like this. That can make it more interesting, I guess. Can I select only what I want? Thank you. So maybe a little something like this. The top can be square, so it's a bit different. That one looks kind of interesting, actually. I actually like that one. I really do. That's nice. Okay, that's not bad. That is not bad. Just to make it clearer, nicer, just drew. Hey. Unselect, please. Thank you. Ooh, that's bubbly. That one's actually nice. That's good. Can probably improve the other ones then. I guess that could be interesting also. Yeah, I think that one is not too much of a mess. It's not as nice as it was before, I think. Before was super simple, but at least it was looked less messy. Okay. How can we make it nice without it looking too messy? Maybe just that, like a little change. I think that's good enough. Something like that, and then we have that one that is pretty basic, but we need a basic one, so that's not a problem. So we now have 3 types of columns. This. Maybe we want the 4th one, because these ones are pretty much the same, I guess. What can we build? In the tiny concept I did... Yeah, that one. That one wasn't too bad, actually. The inverted one. Could always do that. Maybe it would look better if there was like different sizes, actually. So we have like small one, bigger one, big ones. I don't think it's necessary for now, though. So maybe I can just like reverse that one and then it should be good enough for now. So let's see if I do that, and I actually scale that one down, put that one up. Big one in the middle. I don't have my scale box anymore, which is bad because I went out and we really don't want to go out of that scale size thingy. And then maybe we can just like... that's not good. I'm not sure I like the small base, big top actually. Maybe we can just like something simple. Like 3 or 4 cubes on top of each other. This one's probably too big. That one's too small. Make it a bit bigger. Something like that. It's not much, but I guess it can be nice enough. Makes a difference, so I guess that's good. So we have 4 different columns. Now maybe we could have some little walls. So I can move that out of the way. can actually copy the less complicated one, not the camera. What the heck? What the hell? I have a camera. Go away, camera. Sim cube wall. Oh, one. Here we go. We're gonna do some walls. So the height of the wall, 300, 400. It's fine. The height doesn't really matter. Actually, my columns could be probably smaller, higher. I'm gonna change the height. It doesn't really matter the height in our case. But I probably want to have like a box that is, let's see, 400 by 100 by 300. Whoa, not 4,000, please. 400. Actually, I think it's better the other way. So 100 by 400 by 300 or something. Maybe 400 is not wide enough. Maybe 500 should be better. Otherwise, it's pretty small. So I can go select that thing. Make it by, actually it's 100 by 500. Here we go. So, how do we build a wall? Shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna start by base. Actually, the base can be pretty much however we want. Doesn't actually matter. And actually, we can have like one that is super basic. Exactly that, actually. That can be good enough. Just make sure that we make it like exactly the size we want. So this is gonna be minus 250. And it's gonna go up to 250. So it's exactly the size of the wall. For the top of the wall, doesn't really matter though. We can make it whatever we want. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller though. And I think it's gonna be higher than that. So we can have maybe like something super basic like this. Maybe it's too basic. Maybe we can like make it a little bit better by just adding some extra cubes in there that are just gonna give a bit more shape. A little bit. So let's see, maybe something like this. And another one, nope. Come on. This one here, that is gonna be bigger. So something like this, maybe. Make that one a bit smaller. One a little bit bigger. Just to add a bit of volume in there. Something like that. It's pretty basic, but good enough. So this is gonna be the first wall. So now the second wall. That one can be like a bit different. Not gonna be as completed as the other one, I guess. And it's gonna be like less precise. It's gonna be a little bit like more bushes, I guess. But it's gonna be a wall. Okay, so I guess that's good enough for now. Third wall. Maybe it would be nice to have like walls that are just the middle part of the wall and that we can hook stuff on the sides. So but maybe we don't want that right now, just yet. We can start with the blocking and then we'll see if we need different kinds of wall, I guess. But you can still have one that is a little bit like on one side and then it goes down. So let's see, minus 250. Minus 50. So it's all on the side. I can change the height and the size of the things though. To add more variation, but whatever, it's alright. Something like that. Maybe add another one. I'm actually not sure. It depends what I'm doing with the rest. So this one is gonna be way lower. And actually, it's not gonna reach the hand. That one either. That one maybe, something like that. So it's gonna be something like here. Maybe too much. So something like that. Something here, maybe that one higher. And then maybe I have another one here. Somehow, like something like that. That's maybe something like this. That one, like, just make it flat on top. That one's a bit too low. The other one too. Do you want that one bigger or smaller? I guess smaller is better. Seems pretty busy. We'll see, we'll see. Probably not gonna keep everything anyway. It's like just making a bunch of assets and then we'll see which one we keep. Okay. So now we have a couple queue columns, a couple walls. Maybe we can have lower walls now and smaller ones. Because right now we just have like big walls. So maybe I'm just gonna duplicate that thing. Cube, small wall. That one is gonna go here. So now I want to make a small wall, a couple small walls, I guess, if I remember. Yeah, I had a couple small wall, one big one. That one looks nice. Actually, do I have one that looks a little bit like this one? I guess that one is a little bit like it, so that's good. So smaller walls maybe, like a few of them, and then an arch. Actually, the smaller ones can pretty much be the same as the big one, but smaller. Can probably do that. So, small walls can probably just use the same as the big ones. So maybe I can make more big ones, since I'm gonna use them for both the small ones and the big ones for now. Not really, it's not exactly the same thing. I can always have like just cubes, actually one cube. That is a little bit different colors and stuff, different shape, not really shapes, but sizes. Yeah, I guess that's... I don't know what I'm thinking about actually. I guess that's good enough for now, but I can go with call these things because I want these things to work. So these will be at least 100 wide. Can make them a little bit bigger so we have more room. So I guess I'm just gonna delete that one for now. I don't care anymore. That one. So that one is gonna be let's see, we have 100 plus 200, so 300s, but we want to make it a little bit wider maybe to have some room, or maybe we can just like eat from the 300. So let's see if I go 300. Oh, by 300. Let's see how it looks. So it's gonna look like this, which is good because we have some space. Maybe not enough, but we'll see. We'll see. Gonna start by adding the thing in it, and then we'll see how it goes. So I'm just gonna select that thing here with this. Come on. Isolate, isolate, thank you. So we want this to be there as comparison thingy. Okay. So now we can have, I guess I can copy one of them, that basic one. Cube arch. And I'm gonna center it. Ooh. Don't need to do anymore. Yeah, it's good. Okay. So now what I want to do is move this here. Actually, can I? Oops, -50, and then I want to do the same. Relax. My key. Okay, so that will be it. That's pretty tight, I guess. So we can probably make it less tight by probably just doing something like this and scaling from the middle. So we can have some breathing space here. So that's good. Then we can do the same thing here. And then in the middle we can have like something on top. So instead of having like 2 cubes on top, we can have just one, maybe. Boom. So then we can change this a little bit, make it nicer. So, how can we make this nicer? Something like that. Oh, maybe that could be interesting though. So maybe if I put one here, that is gonna be that one can be smaller like this. That one has to be wide, which is good. And I heard that. Maybe a bit too high. So we can have like one that is like this, the other one like that, that are not aligned exactly perfectly perfect. Maybe. Can this be interesting? I guess that can be interesting. Even though we try to keep it simple, this shape, that shape in that direction is pretty nice. In this direction, it's a little bit less interesting because of the way the back is made. When the back is simple, it's nice in the back when it's simple, but when it's not as interesting in the front. Maybe we can just like increase that size here. It's gonna make it a little bit interesting. It's a bit too big. Probably make it like that. That's not too bad. It's not great though. Actually, it can be. I think it's good enough. I think it's good enough. So maybe since we wanted to have it like this, maybe we can just put this back. This is not bad, I guess. Not sure I like that part though. Maybe it's too much actually. What if I just delete that side, replace it by this side, see how it goes. Oh, that thing is not good enough. Good anymore. Go away. Maybe I can now just play with the sizes a little bit. Make it a bit different. Maybe I want that one to be smaller. Maybe that looks more interesting. It's simpler and more efficient, I guess. It works better, I think. Yeah, the thing is, I wanted to have multiple of them. It took me way too long to build one. So, we have to go to the next one. Okay. For this one, maybe we can have bigger cubes at the bottom. Ooh. They need to be high enough so the player can the units can pass under it, which should not be an issue. So what if I just do something like that? I can probably remove this, make it way bigger on this side, and then maybe on that side I can make it wider, a bit higher too, and maybe I can end up with just like one. So maybe like something like this that touches that one. This is totally not physically possible, but whatever. That doesn't look too bad actually. In both directions. Oh, that's good. Maybe I can just make this a bit bigger. Maybe here too. Seems good enough. Okay. So now we have two of them that are all right. Good. So what do we have? Bunch of things here. Couple of things that we can start to use to build that little middle part. Okay. Doo-ba-doo-ba-boo-ba-doo. What can be missing right now? Maybe we would need a better way to do the paths and stuff, because they are not enough cubes, maybe. I can always just start by exporting these and see how it looks in Engine, because it's been a while. I didn't try anything in Engine, so we can actually just go do that. Before that, I need to do the shitter though. I'm gonna do the shitters. Oh wow, it's so slow. Damn. Boom. Boom. Oh, that's nice. Exactly what I wanted. Nope. Okay, so can I? Nope, I can't. Okay. We're gonna go one by one. Selection. Auto smooth. First. Second. And third. I should have done that at the beginning. So there's 3 materials, yeah. One, two, three. Next. Woo. Nope. Clear all. Smooth. First. Second. Third. Go for that. Okay, that's good. Should not be able to export all that. Batch export. Move object to 0, rotate them perfectly, blah blah blah. Gonna put that in my assets. I guess these are structures, not really. No, I guess they are. Sounds good. No collisions, nothing, FBX, export. No selected object, true, you're right. Export. Okay. There we go. I like that tool. So nice. Otherwise it takes hours to export stuff. Okay, we don't need that project anymore. It was at the beginning of the stream we did that. Okay, so now we can import all that stuff. So we have to create all the folders now. Just make sure that it looks fine. We have the cubes here. Material, probably want to use like any random colors actually. So we're just gonna like put it here. Go in the materials, and I don't know, like some gray stuff. That's green, that's not gray, and we don't have a bunch of gray, so we're just gonna create a couple more grays. A darker gray. And maybe a couple more. So one that is a little bit on the blue side, maybe a little bit bluer. That's not gray enough. Okay. And a lighter one, maybe. Not too light. Okay. Should be good. Should have enough colors to block the visual, I guess. So boom, boom. Oof, that one is super blue. And that one is not different enough. Okay. So we're gonna tweak these. So that one... Ooh, come here. That one is not different enough. Oh, that's fine. Okay, that one can be fine. This one is a bit too blue. By a bit too blue, I mean a lot too blue. What the heck? So hard when we're dealing with grays. Okay, so I guess that looks fine. It's not the best, but whatever. Okay. So that's good. So now we have to import everything else. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. Okay. I'm probably gonna change the folder structures. It seems a mess. Cube wall. Actually, it's not a mess, it's just too well organized. Cube 2, import. What the heck? It's not where I want to go. Okay. Column 1. Column 2. Column 3. 4. 2, 2, 2. Wall 1. Wall 2. Wall 3. There we go. So now we can edit all these things. To set the shader. Some things here. Come on. That one, this one, then whatever, doesn't matter. Oh. Something like that. That thing is way too wide. Okay. Let's start. Good, good, good. Yeah, I will totally need a tool to import all that stuff. Oh, damn, that takes so long. Yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Because now I need to create a blueprint for all that. Oh, damn. And then get the icons, add them to the structure. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna just move it here first, I guess. I guess I'm gonna have a ton of assets in the game. Okay, this is gonna be A little something to make. Should be fine for now, but whatever. Nope. One wide by 3. Good. I'm gonna duplicate the thing. Oh, actually, do I want to duplicate that thing really? Sure, whatever. March 2, move here. It's actually gonna be there. Come on. So the collision is gonna be 1 by 1, I guess. Not sure, but I assume. Yeah. Poof. Yep, that seems all right. So 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I really need to automate all that crap. Otherwise it's gonna take forever to do on the long run. Guess that's what I'm gonna do soon. What the? What the? No, not that. Oh, damn. Oh, deleted the mesh. Thank God. I don't wanna. Oh, it's still there. Wow, that's so stupid. Okay. Think again, please. Thank you. Okay, the wall now. Maybe wall. Remove the cube, add the wall. Poof, poof. Look at the size, update the collision. Nope, nope. 5. 5 wide, seems fine. Good. So now I need the other walls, that one and this one. No more. I'm gonna ride again, no more. Good. Finally at the stage where stuff is a little bit more automated. Not really yet. Just have to add them in the structure first. So I guess these are gonna be more structures. So so we can have them here actually. Maybe it's gonna be faster if I do that. Wall. Can I just like drop them? Oof. Ah, come on. Would have been nice. Can I do that? Okay, at least. Add this. Okay. So now just need to update the textures that are in all of them. This is not automated either. Damn. Let's go do these. So structure, next. So we have the preview here of what it looks like. Oh, preview. So we can just update the camera, place it somewhere that fits. Here we go, that's not bad. Export, next. Do the same for all of them. Poof, next. Yeah, export. Port. So what I'm doing right now, it's capturing all the icons that are used in the user interface when we drag an object from the user interface and we try to build it in the scene. So we need a bunch of icons for all of them. So I'm just capturing them in Unreal instead of like going in Photoshop and building them myself. Okay, good. So that was a bunch of assets. You can just save them up just to make sure that these are saved. I can re-import it. So now we have all the icons for all the assets we just created. All of them. We just have to go link them now. Which is gonna take a little bit more time. We did all that. Boom. Okay. So arch 1, icon alpha. Goodbye. Arch 2, icon alpha. Goodbye. Column 1, icon alpha. Column 2. Here we go. So that should be good enough. So now we can place stuff around. So let's try that. We'll see how it goes. Woohoo, we have a bunch of stuff now. Yay. And we can scroll. Oh yeah. Finally have enough stuff to be able to use the scroll bar a bit. Yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna work on mobile though. We'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure it won't work. Okay. So I guess we want to trash that old thing now. Delete game. Good. Now I'm gonna need one statue at the beginning. Okay. That PNG here. Delete. Bye-bye. Okay. So now I'm gonna need an inference statue in the middle. And that's gonna be in the middle of here. The radius is gonna be huge. That can't control from here, I guess. Can I control from there? No, I'm gonna do it myself. It's alright. That can be good. Okay. Takes a bit of time though. I'm just gonna go change it right in there then. So the radius by default is gonna be, I don't know, 6,000, because I don't know. Just be big. Yeah, there we go. So it's everything. Because I'm the game maker, so I want to have full control. Okay, let's design that thing. First, that thing. Actually, I'm just gonna save, stop, delete that thing. Play. Hey, the statue should be there. I don't know why it disappeared then. Huh. It doesn't spawn a new one? It's alright. I have one. That's good. Okay, so that little buddy here. I want it to be big actually. So what's the size right now? It's a 2x2. And we determined in 3D Max that we wanted to have something more like... What the hell? Why did it close my... whatever. Something more around like 400 by 400, I think. Come on. You open my thing. I think it was a 400 by 400. Yeah. So now it's a 100 by 100, 200 by 200. I want it to be 4, so I'm gonna put it 4. So that's gonna be big. I might want to have this as reference size, so I'm just gonna double it. Oh, it's fat. And one over, and actually maybe maybe more. 4 by 4. The height may be just stay 1 actually. Yay, a fat cube. That's true. Okay. So we can now start building around it. Okay. First I wanted to have like an arch here. Also wanted to have some walls behind it. I wanted some path too. So maybe I'm gonna start with the path actually. So let's see. If I put a path here. True. Something like that. Can just don't remember what was the input. What input I used to rotate the camera. That's weird. Don't remember which one it is. It's alright, I can just move it here, I guess. Yeah, if I do that. That's odd. Okay, I guess that's just my asset that is bad. Okay. So I can reload now. Good. Okay. We're gonna change that path for sure, because it's not nice, but whatever. And then we probably want to have a wall behind. Maybe with a bit of space. Something here maybe. Probably don't want that one. Actually, these are identical, so maybe you want to have this one. Ba-da-ba-ba. I want some space here for the player to do some stuff at the beginning, maybe. So maybe we can leave a little bit more space. Yeah, I'm gonna need a corner probably. Boom. That's good. Let's just start. That's shit. My grid is bad. Okay. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, damn. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Probably have to make a bit better way of doing that. Like a better level in store. I'm gonna have to think about that. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today, actually. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work on the path a lot. Probably improve a level editor or something. This is gonna take a while. Yep. Anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for today. I'm not 100% happy with the results yet. So I'm pretty much just thinking about how I could improve it. But I know I cannot do that right now. Like in the small amount of time I have, so I guess I'm just gonna take a break instead. Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. For people that passed by, it was pretty nice. Mostly at the beginning though. It was nice at the beginning. Yeah. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And I'm gonna see you in the next video, I guess. Bye bye guys. Ciao.